the two biggest, like I tell everybody, man, it's very simple. To be successful, you have to have a passion to do something. And you need at least one person, the more the merrier, you need one person to believe in you. Whether it be your mama, your grandmama, your dad, your mom, because somebody got to take you to practice. Somebody got to keep your head level and keep you going forward. But if you got one, you can't do it on your own. Say, man, I'm just going to try to make this happen on my own. No, somebody got to believe in you to help you out to be successful. And that's what I'm telling people. Hey, the chips going to land where they are. It depends on how you, I ain't going to say push them, but try to lead them the best you can without being resistance. Like, hey, make them understand that, hey, what you're trying to do, I'm behind you. And like you said before, you always talk a lot about your grandma. But if your grandma don't tell you, like you said, your grandfather said, hey, let's go out here and plow all this shit and do some work. Your grandma probably say, no, you talented, son. You're going to go do this, man. You do what you do. I got to watch you play. I'll do that. Because they might be on something else. And that's why you had that person where it's like, you know what? Your grandfather probably said, I got the fastest, strongest sucker. Pull all that shit through there.
Right.
Where your grandma said, man, let him go to practice. Let him go do it. That man, I got to go watch him play. And that's why you're successful and your brother's successful. That's how it goes. But don't have nobody believe you and watch how it go. Ain't gonna happen.
We got America's favorite dad, once again, LaVar Ball, giving out great advice, saying that the two things you need to be successful is passion and somebody to believe in you. And I definitely believe that. And there's also some other things that you need to be successful that we'll go into in this video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. What up, though? My name is Kevin Melson with Beyond Your Limits. And in this video here, we got LaVar Ball speaking to Shannon Sharp, talking about what you need to be successful. And the first thing that LaVar Ball said was you need a passion. And I agree with that wholeheartedly. If you want to be great at anything in life, you got to have a passion for it. And the reason you need a passion for it is because when you're trying to be one of the greatest, or you're trying to be great at anything, there's going to be difficult times. There's going to be struggle. There's going to be things in your way. There's going to be difficult times. And if you don't have a passion for it, it's going to be much easier for you to give up when the rough times come, when you get cut, when you have a bad game, when your coach yell at you, when all these things happen, which are inevitably going to happen in basketball. When you have a passion for it, you're going to continue to work at it. You're not going to be so easily discouraged. And so when you have a passion, you constantly working, you're constantly trying to improve, and this is going to make you a much, much better basketball player, and it's going to get you much, much tougher skin. The more work you put in, the more confidence you're going to have. And once you have that passion, it's easy to put in that work because it's something that you enjoy, something that you love to do. And so when you're working hard at it, it doesn't seem so bad. But if it's something that you just kind of like, or something that it would be nice if it happened, it's much more easier for you to give up on it when the tough times come. The second thing that LaVar Ball said was that you need at least one person to believe in you. One person that's gonna have your back, believe that you can make it, believe that you can do it. And I believe that wholeheartedly because nobody is a self-made anything. I hear a lot of times people talking about they're a self-made millionaire, self-made this, self-made that. Well, that's untrue. Wherever you are in life right now, you got help getting there. I don't care, good, bad, or indifferent. Wherever you're at, you didn't do it all by yourself. It's no way possible to get anywhere by yourself. Whether it be somebody driving you to practice, somebody opening up the gym, somebody letting you borrow some sneakers. Things happen every day, little things that help you along the way. Nobody just does everything by themselves and gets great at basketball without somebody giving them a chance, without somebody giving them an opportunity. It's no way to be successful at anything in life without help from a lot of different people. And so he was saying that you need at least one person to really believe in you, and that's also to help you through the bad times again. Once again, when you get cut from the team, when bad things happen, when you have somebody that's rooting for you, it's a lot harder to give up. When it's just you by yourself, and you're not letting anybody down. But if your mother believes in you, if your father, if your coach, whoever believes in you, it's a lot easier. It's a lot more difficult to quit when you got people that believe that you can make it, and people that are watching, and people that are depending on you to make it to the next level. It's motivation for you to keep going. You're not all here by yourself. And one more thing that I would add that you need to make it big in basketball or whatever you want to be in life is you need a little bit of luck. I mean, you need to be in the right place at the right time, have the right person see you, get the right opportunity. Because I've known in my basketball career many guys that were very, very talented, more talented than a lot of NBA players, but they never made it just because they didn't get that opportunity. They didn't have that luck on their side. They may have went to the wrong school, maybe had the wrong coach, maybe listened to the wrong advice. But as far as skill-wise, they were good enough to make it, but you gotta have a little bit of luck. You gotta have, the right scout see you at the right time. And that could mean everything. That could get you your shot. A lot of people don't get a shot to follow their dreams, to get that scholarship, to make it to the NBA, and a lot of it has to do with their timing. You got to have luck. You got to be in the right gym at the right time, doing the right thing, and it can change everything. So it's not just your skill level, it's not just your passion, it's not just somebody believing in you. You got to have the right opportunities as well to make it. And that's all I have for you guys in this video. Thanks for watching the video. Watch another one, and I'll catch you guys in a later video. I'm out.